Hello and welcome to Zimstate Media. Businesswoman and philanthropist Zodwa Mkandla has penned a heartfelt birthday tribute to Princess Tifa, the daughter of famous businesswoman and socialite Zari Hassan, also known as Zari the Boss Lady. In the message shared on social media, Mkandla, who's Tifa's godmother, described the birthday girl as a precious daughter and prayed for God's love, grace and favor upon him. On this special day, I pray that the Lord showers you with his abundant love, grace and favor. May guide every step you take, open doors of opportunity that no one can shut, and bless you with the good health, wisdom, peace and overflowing joy, Mkandla wrote. She added that she prayed for Tifa's life to be filled with purpose and for her dreams to be fulfilled, saying she hoped her goddaughter's heart would always remain anchored in God's unfailing love. Mkandla thanked God for the incredible young woman she's becoming and asked for divine protection and prosperity to surround her. The tribute was anchored on scripture, with Mkandla quoting Jeremiah 29 verse 11, which says, "For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future." Happy birthday, Princess Tifa. May this new year of your life be your most blessed, joyful and victorious yet, she concluded. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.